This is Hotel Maya, located in Long Beach, California. These are the beautiful views when you choose Hotel Maya as your vacation destination. The property is so beautiful, and the views are even more beautiful once you step outside of your hotel room. You get this beautiful sandy beach area on the property overlooking the waterfront beach. This property is definitely family oriented, so bring the whole family with you. You get this beautiful view of the ocean, boats, jet skis, and next to the Carnival Cruise Line and the Queen Mary terminals. And as you can see, the beach is walking distance. And as you can see, you get this great path across the property where you can walk with the dog or take a stroll with your family. The views are breathtaking. You definitely get multiple cozy areas where you can just relax with your family, read a book, eat, and enjoy the sand in your toes. Hotel Maya has several different buildings on the property, and look at those palm trees. As you can see, several of the rooms have that waterfront balcony view. You can play games and use this space to as you desire. And here is my favorite part, the pool. Look how long the pool is. You definitely get several different beach chairs to lay out on and enjoy the breeze with those umbrellas. The beach is open all year. The pool is heated. And like I said, you get those beach chairs and those loungers. You can get a cabana if you so choose. And what better way to enjoy the pool and your swimming activities than to overlook the beach, okay? You get that beautiful beach view. I love swimming, and I also love the ocean. I also love to lounge by the pool, be poolside. And while you're lounging in the cabana, you can dip your feet in this beautiful water just beneath the cabana. Another great amenity to this pool area is the poolside bar, okay? The property at Hotel Maya is very clean. The pool is warm. The weather is beautiful. Your vacation destination is at your fingertips. Just by clicking the link linked in this video, you can book at Hotel Maya. You can book this hotel just from this video. Look no further. The weather is great. The ocean view is beautiful. And it's time for you to book your vacation by using the link in this video, okay? I know you are ready for your vacation. Hotel Maya is the destination, okay?